don't know. It has to be away from, you can't have it within about 4.5 feet, or they say 3 feet, you know, just for safety things. But let's see, this is the front of it. So how you want to spin it? This way?
Sure.
Okay. So if you look at this, this is how it runs. Basically, there's a cylinder. That's your igniter. Here, the tank goes in here, connects here. This is the control valve. So the igniter is built into this knob. So when you crank it to the 9 o'clock, that's low and high. So you're going between 9 and 6. That'll strike it, and then you can turn it up and down as you want.
So we just have to get all the rocks.
That might be in that box. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. So, anyways, yeah. As a matter of fact, I'm almost 100% sure that's what'll be in there. How you doing?
Good.
Be right back. Let's open that box. I'll bring them out. So yeah, so that's probably the stones that they supply. Let's see what we got here. I'm gonna need this knife. You know, I didn't even look through this, but what is this? Okay, that's done. Why is that? Oh, okay. I need to go back. I'm into Spanish, so here's all the basic stuff. So let's see what we got here. Flame office. All right. Flame office. Yeah, they're in here. So I'll open it up. You want to do it, Ian?
Oh, okay, you can do it.
Yeah, I forgot all about this box. And I realized, I said, you know what? That's got to be the stones or whatever I don't know what they give you from China, but yeah, sure is. So basically, this has to remain uncovered, and the rest of them go around it. Put the lava rocks into the burning area on the table. Place the cover lid onto the table when the gas power. Oh shit! I think there's a hole in it. Yep.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Well, that's pretty cool. I guess you can buy these and replace them.
Yeah, because they have cooler looking rocks that are like glass.
Yeah, I saw those. One of my friends had them.
Well, this matches the table, I guess.
Yeah. Yeah, I've seen some pretty cool ones.
Yeah.
Your dad's got one of these, right?
No.
Oh, he doesn't have one?
We have an old-fashioned one.
Oh, do you? Any good?
Yeah. But you got to put the wood in it.
Oh, do you? Okay. There we go. So.
Want to put this in?
Yeah, we can go ahead and connect that up too. Imagine start it and see if it works.
All right.
Okay, I'll move this over here. Excuse me. All right, folks, so we're hooking up the propane tank and then we're going to give her a run and see what's up. So, yeah. But, well, yeah, you know, that just fits in. I guess, yeah, see like these holes right here, Anthony?
Oh, yeah.
We don't have to really worry about that. But, it should fit right in there without, you don't want to hit that control unit.
Oh yeah.
See what I mean? So, guess I can spin her like this. I don't like that too much. Just so that we're not kinking the line. Does this have anything blocking it? No. Okay. I'm not going to tighten it down.
Oh, okay.
Take some of the pressure off of it because we don't want to bend that nozzle. Okay. Good enough. So that's open. It's counterclockwise. I don't smell any gas yet. All right. There we go. So that's on low. That's high.
Mm-hmm.
We'll burn it in for a minute and see how well she does. Okay, so that's it. That's the old fire pit, made in China, and made from a company called Bali, which I'm not sure is brought into the United States and is sold by Bali, but this is what you get from Lowe's. Proudly built in China. So with that said, I'm going to go ahead and end this video, and I'll catch up with you later. Bye.